Hello, and welcome to the session. Leading and Managing Teams LO1 Know About Leadership and Management. How do hard management and soft leadership skills drive business success? This video explores the essential roles of leadership and management in achieving organizational goals. Discover the traits and theories that distinguish leaders from managers. Hard management and soft leadership are crucial for business success. However, few possess both in sufficient quantities. This unit aims to enhance understanding of leadership as a role and management as a function. Learners will develop the skills and traits needed for business impact. The goal is meaningful contributions to business success. Soft leadership focuses on inspiration and motivation. It emphasizes emotional intelligence and empathy. Soft leaders guide through collaboration rather than authority. Key aspects include communication and empowerment. This style fosters positive relationships and team development. Hard management involves policymaking and planning. It requires setting goals and defining objectives. Managers focus on organizing resources efficiently. This approach is task-oriented and ensures stability. Hard management is essential for achieving specific outcomes. Leaders and managers have distinct roles. Leaders inspire and motivate people. Managers plan and organize tasks. Leadership involves setting a vision, while management implements it. The outcome of leadership is change, whereas management ensures order. Leadership theories explain how individuals become leaders. Great man theory suggests leaders are born, not made. Trait theory focuses on inherited qualities. Transformational leadership inspires followers to exceed goals. Situational leadership adapts to varying contexts. Management theories guide organizational effectiveness. Scientific management emphasizes efficiency. Administrative management focuses on senior management roles. Bureaucratic management stresses hierarchy and control. Contingency management adapts to environmental factors. The trait era focused on innate leadership qualities. Great man theory dominated this era. Leaders were seen as naturally destined. Trait theories argued leaders could be made. Psychometric tools now apply these principles. The behavioral era emphasized learned leadership behaviors. It focused on leaders' actions rather than traits. Blake and Mouton's managerial grid emerged. Leadership training programs are based on these principles. This era supports the belief that leadership is learned. The situational era highlighted leadership in context. Fred Fiedler's contingency theory emerged. Leaders must assess situations for effective style. Effectiveness depends on matching style to context. This era emphasized adaptability in leadership. The new leadership era addresses complex challenges. It includes transactional and transformational theories. Leadership is seen as multi-directional, not top-down. Focus is on leader-follower interactions. This era values latent leadership capacities. Transactional leadership relies on authority and rewards. It suits mature organizations with clear goals. Transformational leadership inspires and motivates change. It's vital for innovation in fast-paced industries. Leaders like Jeff Bezos exemplify transformational leadership. Authoritarian leadership is command-focused. It involves clear directives and control, best used in urgent situations. Collaboration is minimal. This style ensures tasks are completed efficiently. Democratic leadership values input and collaboration. Guidance is provided, but decisions are shared. It's effective for team engagement. Leaders encourage participation. This style fosters creativity and innovation. Delegative leadership offers little direction. Team members are autonomous. It's least effective without clear guidance. Suitable for experienced teams. This style encourages self-reliance and initiative. Scientific management focuses on task efficiency, developed by Frederick Taylor. It emphasizes standardization and specialization. Time and motion studies improve productivity. This theory revolutionized industrial management. Administrative management emphasizes senior roles. Henri Fayol developed this theory. It focuses on administrative functions and principles. Unity of command is a key principle. This theory guides organizational structure. Bureaucratic management stresses hierarchy and control. Developed by Max Weber, it involves a rigid chain of command. Standard procedures ensure consistency. This theory is vital for large organizations. Human relations theory emphasizes employee satisfaction. Developed by Mary Parker Follett, it involves democratic problem solving. Listening and integrating viewpoints are key. This theory enhances workplace relationships. Situational theory adapts to follower needs. Contingency theory matches style to context. Both emphasize leadership flexibility. Hersey and Blanchard developed situational theory. Fiedler contributed to contingency theory. In conclusion, understanding leadership and management is essential for guiding teams and achieving organizational objectives. Leadership focuses on setting direction, motivating individuals, and inspiring change, while management involves planning, organizing, and controlling resources effectively. Knowing the differences and connections between leadership and management helps organizations develop strong teams, improve performance, and create a positive working environment. Effective leadership and management together support productivity, collaboration, and long-term success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.